Welcome. Alright guys, I think it's new car day. 2017 turbo, all-wheel drive, 6-speed manual. Got the trailer hooked up. Not my trailer, my buddy's trailer. So we are on our way to the Copart lot in Colorado Springs, and yeah, I guess we'll just show you the car when we get there, because I'm pretty stoked on it. I've been kind of wanting to do this for a little while, you know, get something along these lines and kind of do it. So here we go. All right, so we just got all the paperwork at the main lot. Now we have to head over to the sub lot where the vehicle is located. So this is a hail vehicle, and we got hit with a huge hailstorm here basically these past 2 years, just insane. And so I think you guys are gonna be stoked about this thing. I'm stoked about it too. I've never done a hail vehicle like this. I am gonna be having a little bit of help with it, but let's just get over there. I think that guy just bought that. Yeah, that thing's nice.
Just a little crooked, but.
All right, so fun fact is I actually used to, man, this guy's just taking my shot. I used to be that guy, not in the Liberty Tax suit though. I was in the Uncle Sam one. We're getting close to the auction.
Continue on Wooten Road for a half mile.
We're back.
If this is something you guys are interested in, if you guys want to be like those guys there, check out the link in the prescription. What could we possibly be getting? I don't think that one's yours.
Here it comes. Go over here to this little pod, give him some paperwork. Look at that, 2 things that I want. A little ST or a RS and a Tesla. I'm gonna need that Tesla for the YouTube challenge coming up here soon. The first? Ooh, 2.0T.
What do we have here? Cool, let's go check this thing out.
I think that's it. Well, this side doesn't look like it was hit really at all. But
Can't get the doors open. Looking good. Gonna be a good, little fun project.
what do you think of that?
It's not bad, man.
That's good. I mean, it's freaking. And the battery's dead.
You guys know and we don't.
So 8/19/18, it has 14,000. Yeah, she's freaking dead. This thing's nice. I mean, pieces of it are nice.
First thoughts.
I'm glad it doesn't have a sunroof. That's kind of cool. I mean, it just seems like a nice. It's got the little carbon fiber accent looking things.
Was it a smoker or non-smoker? Can you tell?
I wonder if the window's in it.
Let me smell. Maybe a vapor.
Oh, they left the headlights on.
Well, let's get her strapped down and get it back and see if we could fire it up and go for a rip.
Today's video is sponsored by AutoBidmaster.com, and using their website, it allows me to bid on these auction cars from Copart that you typically wouldn't be able to buy without a dealer license. So if you guys are interested in it, stay tuned till the end of the video. I will talk a whole lot about that whole process and all that type of stuff. I do have a referral program. There is a link in the description, but yeah, stay tuned till the end of the video. Talk a little bit more about my experience and then kind of why I ended up switching over to AutoBidmaster so that I could actually buy cars locally, because I had an issue with my other broker. So stay tuned.
So we are back at the shop. Stopped at Walmart and picked me up a battery, since this one was probably pretty bad. And I'd like to start it and drive it off the trailer rather than pushing it, because I know this thing's gonna be freaking heavy. Yeah, we'll get it unloaded, pull it in the shop, and take a look at it. All right, so got it unstrapped. It's nice because we thought it actually needed a window, but this window's good. Right there, it was just rolled down. Got the battery charging in it, so I guess let's take a look and see how many miles this thing has on it. Ronnie already rolled up the window. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. 13,670. Somebody was playing boost mode with it right there. Let's see if this thing will freaking start. Ooh.
There she is.
Welcome. Welcome.
Is that what I told you?
No, that's what I'm telling it. I'm saying, how you doing? Look at that. We got that high idle, cold start stuff. Look at all that boost. That's kind of cool.
Exhaust.
Yep, it's got that Subaru exhaust on it. It's pretty cool. I guess, yeah, so we went ahead and just kind of threw the charge on that battery. Uh-oh. And so I guess we'll go ahead and pull it off. Do you just want to disconnect it and I'll pull her off? Disconnect the battery?
Huh?
Disconnect the charger? We didn't put the battery in it because I just figured I'd see if this one would charge up, and it might, so. I like this. This thing looks pretty. I mean, it's a 2017. All right, let's back her off.
13,000 miles. 13,600.
Oh, damn, that's what's
Yeah,
up.
somebody else's car.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, just one good shot right there, huh?
Yep, and then like these doors and stuff.
Oh yeah.
So like, I think this
We're golden.
size. All right. Well, it's time to see what this 2-liter flat 4 direct injected turbocharged frickin' Subaru is all about. Oh, you all right?
I think I breathed in some of that glass dust.
Really? Well, that's not good. All right, hopefully it doesn't blow in and get us.
Yeah, man. Let's
is
vacuum this thing before we
No,
drive it. Go pull it in the shop.
No, I want to go for a drive.
Dude, I'm not going. You're gonna regret it.
No, come with me.
Uh-uh.
We're going for our first little pull. We did our first successful pull, and you can see what she peaked at. That's pretty cool. Shows you how much boost you hit. 15.9. That's pretty cool. Here, hand this off to my brother. Think it'll do a donut?
I wouldn't try.
No, that's not a good idea. I mean, it probably would. We'll wait till it snows, and then we'll go practice our Tokyo drift.
Dude, maybe this will be the car that gets you into rally.
Find that trim that fell off.
It's probably in the ditch.
I think. Should we just come back tomorrow for it?
Out there it is. Just pull up and you can shove it in your door. Just get close to it. There you go. Damn, that thing almost hit me in the face. This thing.
Oh, it's bitching me now.
must have it peaked at probably 16.5.
You think new daily?
Could be.
That's really torquey down low. It hits like right there.
Imagine being in this thing when it was hailing.
Oh, imagine how loud it would have been. I bet they're glad they didn't have a freaking sunroof.
Yeah. That's Subaru exhaust for you guys. Runs good though.
Look, it has Pandora in it. Probably trying to connect to my phone or something. Alright guys, welcome to the end of the video, and I appreciate you guys sticking around. So this video is sponsored by AutoBidmaster.com. They are Copart's #1 broker, and basically what using them allows you to do is actually bid on these auction cars on Copart that you typically aren't allowed to bid on because you need an actual dealer license. And Copart does, due to federal and state laws, you are not allowed as the public to bid on these cars at auction like that. So this is kind of the only way around it besides going to your own, actually getting like your own dealer license or something like that, which if you're not going crazy and, starting to use car lot or something, if you want to buy a couple project cars for you and your buddies every year, buy yourself a new daily driver, a track car, something like that, it just makes sense. So, using their system, I was allowed to basically buy this car in Colorado, and it come just basically directly to me. They do have dealer licenses in all 50 states, and that was the issue that I had with my previous broker, is I was not able to basically take a car from Colorado because it had to go to their out-of-state dealer license and then come right back to Colorado. And Colorado basically said, hey, no, you guys can't do that. And so I haven't been able to bid on anything in Colorado for about the past year until I switched to AutoBidmaster. So if you use my code MotionAutoTV in the description, or click on the link in the description, it will save you $50 off either a premium or an advanced membership. Be sure to look on their website. There is a couple differences in that, and a lot of that has to do with the transaction fees at the end when you actually go to buy the car. It's 6% for the advanced and 3% for the premium membership. So just keep that in mind if you're going to be buying cheaper cars. Advanced is fine, but if you're going to be buying, some higher end stuff, some diesel trucks, some late model, like cool freaking cars that everybody wants, I would definitely recommend using the premium. Again, link in the description. It is a referral code, so I kind of do benefit from that as well. But yeah, they make the whole bidding process super simple. You log in, you have your watch list, you bid live. You're live in there with all the action. And BS for Bill's been using them for years. He actually told me about them about 2 years ago, and then I finally decided to kind of make the jump over to the whole Copart thing, and basically AutoBidmaster is essentially like a necessity in that aspect. You do get discounts on shipping. You do get a couple VIN checks, a couple free, I think it's like 10, or don't quote me on it. There's a couple free VIN checks you get a year, which is really nice if there's like a previously salvaged vehicle and you want to kind of see what exactly happened to it. Yeah, appreciate them sponsoring this video. Again, check out the links in the description, and I hope you guys are really excited about this WRX because it's kind of stepping it up and kind of doing newer late model stuff is kind of something that I've been wanting to do. And so we're gonna kind of see what happens with this WRX. Hopefully you guys are excited to kind of see exactly what we've been up to. I have been hiding it from you guys for a little while, and I know you guys are anxious to see some Subi content on the channel. So appreciate you guys watching. If you guys never been here before, go check out my other videos. If you're just kind of hanging around, that's cool too. I upload videos all the time. So appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys later.